Welcome back to Module 2, Physics. In this video, we continue statics, covering center of gravity, stability, and how materials respond to load through stress and strain. The center of gravity, or CG, is the single point where an object's entire weight can be considered to act. If you support an object directly underneath its center of gravity, it will balance perfectly, just like this shape balanced on its pivot. For an aircraft, the CG position must stay within strict limits because it directly affects controllability and stability in flight. How stable an object is depends on the height of its center of gravity and the width of its base. An object with a low center of gravity and a wide base is difficult to tip over. An object with a high center of gravity and a narrow base tips over much more easily. This is why aircraft loading charts carefully control both the weight and its position to keep the CG within safe limits. Stress is the internal force per unit area within a material, calculated as force divided by cross-sectional area. It is measured in pascals or newtons per square meter. Stress can be tensile, pulling the material apart, compressive, pushing it together, or shear, sliding layers past each other. For example, a 4,000 Newton force over an area of 0.002 square meters gives a stress of 2 megapascals. Strain measures how much a material deforms under load. It is the extension divided by the original length and has no units since it is a ratio. Within the elastic limit, stress divided by strain gives a constant called Young's modulus, which describes how stiff a material is. A high Young's modulus means the material barely stretches under load. Pause the video and try this problem yourself. Stress equals force divided by area. 4,000 newtons divided by 0.002 square meters gives 2 million pascals, or 2 megapascals. Question 1. What is stress? The answer is B, force divided by area. Question 2. What is strain? The answer is A, extension over original length. Question 3. Which combination increases the stability of an object? The answer is B, a low center of gravity and a wide base. Here is your quick reference. Center of gravity is the point where an object's weight acts. Stability improves with a low center of gravity and a wide base. Stress is force divided by area. Strain is extension divided by original length. Young's modulus is stress divided by strain, describing a material's stiffness. That covers center of gravity, stability, stress, and strain. In the next video, we finish statics with pressure, density, and buoyancy in fluids. See you there.